Hello, guys. Welcome back to Mr. English Talks. I'm glad you're here. Because today we're talking about something so simple that most people ignore it, and so powerful that it can change your energy, your skin, your mood, and even your focus at work or school. The topic is the right way to drink water. Not scary rules. Not internet myths. Just a clear, smart, everyday system you can follow even if you're busy and your English is still growing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how much to drink, when to drink, how to drink, and how to make it a habit that feels easy, not forced. Let me start with a quick story. Rohan worked in an office and always had afternoon headaches. He thought he needed more coffee. One day, a mentor asked, "How much water did you drink before lunch?" Rohan didn't know. For 7 days, he tried something simple, a big glass of water after waking, a refillable bottle on his desk, small sips every 20 to 30 minutes, and 1 glass before each meal. His headaches reduced, his skin looked better, and his 3 p.m. brain fog almost disappeared. He didn't change his job. He changed his hydration. That's the power of doing a small thing the right way. First, understand why water matters. Your brain, blood, and muscles are mostly water. Water carries nutrients, regulates your temperature, cushions your joints, and helps your heart pump smoothly. When you're low on water, your body gives you signals: dry mouth, dark yellow urine, low energy, dizziness, headache, and poor focus. A simple daily check is the color of your urine. If it's very dark, like apple juice all day, you're likely dehydrated. If it's very pale like straw or light lemonade, you're likely well hydrated. Morning urine is naturally darker. Check again later in the day for a better picture. Now, how much should you drink? The honest answer: your climate, your activity, and your food. A common, easy rule is 8 cups or about 2 liters a day for many adults. Another useful guide is to aim for roughly 30 to 35 milliliters per kilogram of body weight per day. For example, 5 kilo, 21 litre. If you live in a hot place, sweat a lot, or exercise, you'll need more. If you eat water-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, soups, and yogurt, you'll need a bit less from plain water. Remember, this is general guidance, not medical advice. If you have kidney, heart, or hormone conditions, or you're pregnant or breastfeeding, your needs may be different. In those cases, talk to a health professional who knows your situation. Equally important is when and how you drink. Your body loves steady sips, not sudden floods. Start your day with a full glass of water to rehydrate after sleep. Through the day, take small sips regularly rather than chugging a whole liter at once. Drinking a lot. Ingwansan bo and Cordy 1 to eat well. Gentle, regular sips are the secret to staying hydrated without feeling bloated. A smart time to drink is 20 to 30 minutes before meals. 1 glass before breakfast, lunch, and dinner helps your digestion and keeps your appetite balanced. It's also fine to drink water with meals. Small sips are okay. You might have heard the myth that water with meals kills digestion. That's not true for most people. Just don't pour down 1 liter during a meal. Moderation is your friend. Think about temperature too. Room temperature or slightly cool water is gentle and easy to drink in large amounts. Ice-cold water can be refreshing after a workout or in hot weather. And warm water can feel soothing in the morning or at night. There's no magic temperature for health. Choose what helps you drink enough. If cold water gives you stomach cramps, go warmer. If warm water feels boring, add ice and a slice of lemon or cucumber for taste. Flavor can help you drink more without sugar. Let's talk about drinks that count and drinks that slow you down. Plain water is best, but tea and coffee still count toward your daily fluids. Just be careful with sugar and very strong caffeine that might upset your stomach or sleep. Milk, soups, smoothies, and water-rich foods also help. Sugary sodas and juices give you liquid. Yes, but they come with a lot of sugar and calories. Keep them occasional. Alcohol dehydrates you. If you drink alcohol, follow each drink with water and try to hydrate well before sleeping. Your tomorrow self will thank you after heavy sweating sports. Hot weather, long walks you lose both water and minerals like sodium and potassium electrolytes. Replacing only water after intense sweat can sometimes make you feel weak or crampy. For most normal days, water is enough. For hard day, a simple electron helps. You can use a low-sugar electrolyte tablet or make a light homemade mix, clean water, with a squeeze of lemon and a small pinch chaud salt, and a touch of honey if you like. Avoid extra salt if you're on a low-salt plan or have high blood pressure. Ask your doctor if unsure. You don't need to do this every day only when you've sweat a lot. Be careful of two common myths. The first myth is that warm lemon water detoxes your body. It's fine to drink, and it tastes nice, but there is no magic detox drink. Your liver and kidneys are your real detox team. Water supports them by keeping everything flowing smoothly. The second myth is that more water is always better. Too much water in a short time can be dangerous and can lower the sodium in your blood hyponatremia. Don't force yourself to drink liters beyond your thirst and needs. Spread it out and listen to your body. Quality and containers matter too. Drink from safe, clean sources. If your tap water is questionable, use a certified filter or bottled water from a trusted brand. Wash your bottle daily with warm, soapy water and let it dry. Stainless steel or glass bottles are great for daily use. If you use plastic, choose BPA-free and avoid pouring very hot water into plastic. Try not to reuse thin, single-use plastic bottles for a long time. They can break down and are harder to clean. Now let's build a simple daily routine you can do anywhere. Begin your morning with 1 glass of water before coffee or tea. Bring a 500 milliliters bottle with you and aim to finish it by mid-morning. Refill and drink another before lunch. Have a glass 20 to 30 minutes before lunch. In the afternoon, if you feel sleepy, drink a glass of water and take a short walk. Often your brain is asking for water, not only caffeine. Before dîner d'agla. In the evening, keep small sips. If you wake often at night to use the bathroom. Reduce big drinks 2 hours before bed and stick to small sips if you get thirsty. This rhythm gives your body what it needs without interrupting your sleep. If you like structure, try a light to 2 method for a week and see if it helps. Drink 1 glass within 2 minutes of waking. Take a few sips every 20 to 30 minutes during your day. Stop heavy, drinking 2 hours before bed to protect your sleep. It's simple, it's flexible, and it works because it respects your body's timing. Let me give you a second story. Mira loved morning runs, but always got cramps. She used to drink nothing before running and then chugged the big bottles after. She changed her plan. Half a glass 30 minutes before the run, a few sips during, a glass with a pinch of salt and lemon after, and steady water through the day. The cramps stopped. Her pace improved. Hydration is not just how much you drink, it's when and how you drink. Travel needs a special plan. Airplanes are dry. Drink a glass of water before boarding. Ask for water during the flight, and skip too much alcohol or very salty snacks. In hot places, you'll sweat more. Increase your intake and watch your urine color. In cold place, turbis needs water. Keep your bottle close and sip anyway. During exam days or long work sessions, water is brain fuel. Set a small reminder to take sips every 20 to 30 minutes. When your brain feels stuck, try water and a 2-minute stretch before you reach for another coffee. If you want to change your habit fast, try a 7-day hydration reset. For the next week, prepare your bottle at night and put it where you will see it first thing in the morning. Start each day with a glass before your phone or coffee. Pair water with daily anchors you already do after brushing, before you sit to work, before each meal, and after you finish a task. Use taste if it helps. Lemon, mint, cucumber, or a splash of unsweetened coconut water for variety. In the evening, write one line in your notebook. Today I drank about X liters. My energy was Y, and my urine color was Z. This small note will teach you your own pattern. By day 3, you'll feel the difference. By day 7, you'll trust the system. A quick word about kids, elders, and special situations. Children and older adults sometimes forget to drink. Offer water regularly and use cups they enjoy. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, your need for fluids increases. Keep water close and sip through the day. If you have kidney, heart, or endocrine issues, or you're on water or salt restrictions, please follow your doctor's plan rather than general internet advice. The right way to drink water is the way that feel buddies how real need. All together with a simple picture of a guy. You wake up and drink a glass of water while you look at daylight. You carry your bottle to work or school and take small sips as you go. You have a glass before lunch, then steady sips in the afternoon. You do a workout, then replace what you lost with water and a little electrolyte if it was very sweaty. You drink a glass before dinner and keep sips in the evening without flooding your body right before bed. Your urine is pale by afternoon, your energy is steady, and your head is clear. This is not perfection. Tiya kind, repeatable rhythm. Remember, the right drink water is not about forcing liters into your body. It's about steady sips, smart timing, safe sources, and listening to your own signals. Start with a morning glass. Keep your bottle where you can see it. Take small sips regularly. Add a little more on hot, busy, or sweaty days. Reduce big drinks right before bed if your sleep suffers. Keep it clean, keep it simple, and let the rake small. Fill la glace. Take a slow sip. Place a bottle on your desk or in your bag for tomorrow. Set a tiny reminder in your phone for mid-morning and mid-afternoon. Small actions today become automatic habits next week. Your body is ready to feel better. Jivitwatita been asking for all along. Thank you for spending your time with me at Mr. English Talks. Take care of your water, and your water will take care of you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.